Rukx Gear Double Pistol Case, available in black and tan. Starting on the outside, you have water-resistant fabric with rust-resistant zippers here, so you're protected from the elements no matter where the range day takes place. On the front pocket here, you have a zipper closure. Inside, you have padded pocket, as well as elastic loop on the inside to retain any accessories or magazines. On the main pocket here, also closed with zippers. You can open that. You have two padded pistol compartments for firearms. On the top, you have this convenient handle. With that, you're ready for your next range day.